I've just transformed the rear bumper on my Vitara with Bedliner and some eBay trailer lights. It looks so much better. It costs less than 50 bucks. And in this video, I'm gonna show how I did it. Okay, so it's tempting to cut all the way along this line and trim the bumper up, but I want to keep this here because it's basically a protective bar for this fuel tank. And then if I'm doing that, there's no point cutting this, and it means I can keep this license plate. So what I'm just going to do instead is try and fix this up. I'm going to paint the whole thing, and I'm going to find some trailer lights that fit in here and fit in there. So let's take some measurements and get the lights ready. What is happening? That is not ideal. I made these masking templates to give the trailer lights a smooth surface to stick to in case the Bedliner texture was really rough. In hindsight, I can say it wasn't actually rough enough to get in the way, so it was worth a thought, but waste of time anyway. I'm just putting one screw in while I'm wiring this so it doesn't fall out. And we can do some final adjustments after. There you go. Cheap, easy, durable, looks better, more functional. As you can tell, it's not perfect. I didn't put too much work into patching up that crack spot on the left side here. Reason is, if I spend too much time and effort making this car look perfect, I'm not going to want to take it off-road. I really like this Bedliner paint. It works pretty well in aerosol, but it's just as good on brush. And it's really easy to blend in. If you miss some spots, you need to go back and brush some things up. I actually like it so much I bought 2 more cans to do the rest of the bumpers. I've done the front bumper and I'm doing the arches and all the cladding on the side now, so it's going to really finish off the car, I think. I've wired up the brake light function on the tail lights to be the fog, because that's what they're replacing, and then the tail light function on the tail lights is the brake light. So they don't turn on when my headlights are on, but they do light up when I brake. Hope it was helpful, hope you enjoyed it. If you tried something like this or you're thinking about it, let me know. It's just a nice, easy way to make your car a little more off-road ready and look better at the same time. I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if you haven't. Cheers.